Servus und hello, my name is Luis from TNH Group and welcome to my business vlog where I tell you all about my business and how it's going. October hasn't been very good for the vlog because there have not been much things happening besides me getting onboarded to the bartending this week. Regarding 3D printing, I had the first big fail on the Saturn, so I need to re-level the printer, I think, which is one thing that I haven't done. I've watched one or two reviews that said to replace the VAT release liner with a PFA sheet. As I have my Helm Guard PFA sheets, I will look into that because it's supposedly like an ACF adjacent product that sucks, and I have better products, so I will just use mine. The samples that I ordered will be here hopefully next week or in 2 weeks, so that's nice. I will send those out to my contact, and I have to let my partner know that I will be carrying bigger sheets, and if he wants any. The wholesale thing is still on hold. I haven't heard back from Dominic in a while. I need to inquire about the bases anyways, because I ran out of 40mm bases. A friend of mine needs some, and yeah, they are out of stock. I tried to talk with my the same friend that needs the 40mm bases, also the friend that paints. Once we get everything figured out how we want to do things, he will be put on the website and as a part of the team. What I want to do next week is find some CAD and CAD people and sculptors in order to, like when I get an order to make an object, but I cannot make the object, so that I can just forward the project and then work together with some people. One thing I want to do is kind of regarding the need to maybe do bigger batches of 3D prints, is I want to explore the art of resin stacking, and that means you use the full build volume for your minis and you make like a tree where that has all the minis on it. I just need to figure out how to do that. There is a slicer, which I forgot the name from, that can do that. But I want to explore using just a model that I make in Fusion and then make small platforms where you can just put the supported mini on top of, and then try to work with that way. It's probably fairly difficult. But I would just want to explore that after I have reprinted some things that people need still from me. Yes, the next few weeks will be not good on content because I have an event in the last weekend of October, which is a lab event, which I'm one of the people that organized the event, so I will have to be there. But funnily enough, in the week of my birthday, the Formnext is in Frankfurt, which in the mess halls, and I can go there by train in 10 minutes, so I will attend Formnext 2023 and check things out. Maybe I will film some things, but I will just go there to network a bit and then have a look at some things. There will probably be some things featured in the vlog. That's it for today. We have no new things currently. I have a project I could work on and I should finish fairly soon-ish and be done with it. And I'm exploring more hobby stuff in the near future when I get more money from working as a bartender. Like planning in my barkeeping position is very planning focused and optimizing workflows, and I would like to put a little bit of money to the side because that's always nice, but explore screen printing and as well. So We will be doing that in the next year, as well as scaling up production, hopefully. Hi there, this is the next week. We will just sum up the 2 weeks into one vlog. This is a mishap, it's a very stressful time at the moment. I am in the security seminar this week, which means that after that I will be eligible to do some basic security things. I learned that I misread something that I should call places before I book things, but nonetheless there's an exam you have to take in order to be allowed to have a security firm in Germany, and you don't have to do the seminar week for that, but all of the contents of the seminar week are in the exam, so it's a pretty good preparation. I wrote down a couple of things. First of all, the tasks are not very hard. You don't have an exam for that. At the end of the day, you do like a small multiple choice test to gauge whether you understood the contents of the day, and it's not that hard. I feel just like in school. Very, very, very underwhelmed. But the good thing is that I have a lot of time to think about the business, which is why I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7.5 pages regarding the business. I wrote an extensive to-do list. I wrote some things that I wanted to make, focusing on bundles this week. That was my big topic for the week. I have 2 bundles ready with paints and like the concepts for the bundles. Now I have to print all the bundles and then get my friend to paint them, so I have pictures. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow.